How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Nissan Frontier. Pretty simple door panel takeoff. All you're going to need is a size 10 socket, a plastic pry tool, a push pin puller, which you'll see in a second, and then a pig. First, we'll go ahead and take our covers off. You're going to have one behind the door handle. There's a little cutout. Just kind of pop that free. You're going to have one behind the grab handle. Once again, there's like a little cutout. Just kind of stick your pick in there, pop it free. That'll show the two size 10 bolts. Go ahead and grab those out. Alright, now that we got our bolts out the door, we can actually take the panel off, but we do want to go ahead and take this cover off right here. There's a little lip holding it in place. Don't start at the top, kind of start at the bottom. There's 4 clips holding this cover on. Sometimes the clips like to stay behind, so that's why you grab that little push pin puller. But just start at the bottom, like I said, and just kind of work your way up. And maybe we'll get lucky and all the pins come out. Oh, one just fell. Alright, so as you can see, one came out, one failed, and the other 2 actually stayed in the door frame itself. So we'll go ahead and find that pin, put it back in. Go ahead and snag these other 2 out. Alright, now that we got our bolts out and our little panel lock, we can go ahead and start popping the door panel. Just kind of start at the bottom corner. Just kind of pop free, work your way around. Kind of like so, and then you can, once you get the pins popped, you can just kind of wiggle it up. And that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel, same thing, grab your 2 covers off, the one behind the door handle, and you're going to have one behind the grab handle. Just stick your pick in there once again. There's a little cutout, so just kind of stick your pick in the cutout, pop them free. Grab your 2 size 10 bolts out. Now that we have our bolts out, we can go ahead and pop the door panel free. There is a little cutout on the bottom, but I've noticed it's kind of starting at the corner has been easier for me. So kind of weasel your plastic pry tool up in there. Work your way around the edges. And wiggle up. And there you go. So that is how you take off the back door and the front door panel on a Nissan Frontier. Thanks for watching.